over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
What's up, fans? This is still AmaFans Way to TV, and I'm still your man, Akamza the Sport, with yet another in-studio discussion. And we do know that as AmaFans Way to TV, we are all about inclusivity, and it's beautiful to see that because of the guests that I have today. They are very passionate about football. They might not have their eyesight, but with regards to what's happening within their surroundings, they are able to pick up everything that happens around them. And in this case, I do have Umlungisi together with Umuzi. Both love their beautiful football teams that they support. We do know that Mlu supports Mamelodi Sundowns. Muzi supports Kaizer Chiefs. Gentlemen, feeling grand bafethu? Mlu, I think how would you sum up season in Mamelodi Sundowns from game one up until khona manje la sisifihla khona manje?
When the season ebesinayo this year bengekho easy kangako, but ibe mnandi somewhere like from January until manje Sundowns had to pick up anyana abangcononyana compare to last August. So the way starting ngakhona zange saba ne start as grand. Maybe I guess indaba with maybe besibuya ku FIFA Club World Cup nakhona maybe TK account nada nje, but I think nokubhaka kwa Lyon ya pick up pieces Sundowns. Maybe season engekho easy nje, but bay grand.
Yeah, and for now, Muzi, of course, I mean, kuningo ebakhulumile in terms of Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi when the beginning of the season, bukunalendaba le kaNabi, kwaba nalendaba le ama coach lawa khona, but when you look at the Kaizer Chiefs, the way idlale ngakhona throughout the season, when ungathini pertaining to Kaizer Chiefs?
No, it was a great season for Chiefs. I mean, every stat is positive. From the past 5 seasons, none of those seasons can match the stats that these guys were able to achieve this season. Whether it's goal difference, whether it's wins, whether, they lost the least number of games. I don't remember when last the Chiefs lose less than 6 games a season, because usually they would lose like 8, 9. I remember there was a record. I think Atazwana was the coach. He lost like 11 or 12 games. It's I don't want to go back there, but those were very hard times for Chiefs fans. But it was a great season. I mean, for me, what makes a great season is improvement. And I've seen a lot of that this season. Coach Kaz and Khalil Ben Yusuf were able to build a team spirit, whether you like their style of play or what, but a team spirit, fighting spirit is there. I mean, if you win 15 games in a season, it's testament to how hard these guys have worked. I think it was a great season.
Now, gentlemen, I mean, your story is beautiful. I mean, in terms of, your love for football, how you got to support the respective teams that you support, But I just want to find out from you, probably bakhona abantu abangazi. They always see you at the stadiums and all of that, but they always wonder, how are you able to, get hold of the game? Because, I mean, it's all about eyesight, but in this case, you guys, I don't know. I'm interested in also myself, finding out money came in. How are you able to hear, to access in the game with every action that happens on the field of play?
Out insimbi emnyama engagezi. Isiphatha grand. Should look ngagezi wakho kusenza sibe mnandi.
Sure.
I'm probably. When you have something, you tend to ignore the other things that matter in life. When you have eyesight, you think it's the only thing that makes you connect to what's happening in the world. But to be honest, you've got other 4 senses other than sight. So all those senses, football is about emotion, to be honest.
Yes.
The reason why we love football, why we glued to this game is the emotion that it gives us. The next minute, umenyile. The next minute, you hate Brendan Peterson. The next minute, he's the best goalkeeper in the world. You know, that's what football is about. So that's what makes us enjoy football. Yes, there's the extra things that you guys see. They show me your numbers and all of that. But commentary, you know, back in the days, there was no TV. TV, no tlamelo 20 cents to go and watch somewhere, you know. So even the sighted people would listen to football on the radio. And, you know, Mahrot Manapahaya, they still do that.
Yeah.
Even if they watch TV, but they still want to hear commentary, because commentary adds a lot of spice to football. Yeah. So that's how we access football. Commentary all the way. And Kamzage is our guy. Yeah, we are comfortable. Let me find out from Ronaldo comes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now, Mlu, I'm going to come back to you, Pitu. I mean, we've seen Mamelodi Sundowns perform in terms of the Betway, with the different cup competitions as well, together with the CAF Champions League, to find themselves Laba Kona Manje. But I just want to find out from you, what has been the standout thing pertaining to Mamelodi Sundowns? Could be certain players that rose to the occasion, could be a certain game whereby you're like, you know what, we might not have, maybe the season might be tough, but this game will always be memorable to me kule season.
Azingikhumbula iphi game kakhulu mfowethu. Akhumbula le game bengise-FNB futhi, ngiyakhumbula kwakulate kwi-Wednesday. Ngishaya amanye amadoda, khona indoda engayithenga le Colombia.
Yeah.
Bayibiza ngoBrian Leon.
Yeah.
Yeah, yabona le game ngeke ngiyikhohlwe, even if bengibe ne-season tough this season nje, because yabona ngikhona Shabo Aruzi, nama-referee ngibuye ngibambe ngomsila kancane angidonse, but hayi leyo game nje yiyo nje ngiyenzela isizini emnandi, at least noma ngathiwa bayayithatha okusala 4 points ibe ngakimi. Yeah, yiyo nje game engeke ngiyikhohlwe. Yeah.
And for you, Muzi, I mean, we do know that there was a time where Kaizer Chiefs hit a slump.
Yeah.
Whereby they lost, I think, was it 3-4 games in a row? And there was that whole commotion at the FNB. I mean, not at the FNB, at the village, rather, whatnots. But what would you say was important, you know, in making sure that Kaizer Chiefs rose in that moment in time, so that they find themselves Laba Kona Manje, whereby they can safely say that, you know what, we are in top 3, which is something we haven't seen in a very long time.
Yeah, I guess the only thing that Chiefs has to do is to stick to what works and ignore all the noise, because Cedric Kaze and his co-coach, his colleague, Ben Yusuf. I mean, from the first 5 games, 6 games, you could see that there's a difference that's happening here. Chiefs has not collected 20 points in the first 12 games for about 5 seasons now. And these guys were able to do that. And every club in every season will hit at least a slump. If you're having a good season, at least one. Sundowns is hitting their slump now at this crucial point. You know, every club will have that. So for me, just sticking to what works. I know maybe somebody nabatela mutomung spani da and but bailo striker go villaging, but really there was I don't understand why, but never striker. I mean, you will lose some games in every season. Even if you can have the best coach in the world, you will still lose some games. I mean, you can't lose to Zamalek, lose to Pirates, the best team in the league this season. And all of a sudden, when you feel Cedric Kaze is not a good coach. Uyabona is talking about that game where he beat Pirates. Because Pirates, it was that strong this season. That's the only time he beat Pirates. because they are that strong. So losing to Pirates could not warranty that could not warrant Cedric Kaze and Ben Yusuf to be fired. Yeah, so sticking to what works, I think that was what was important for Chiefs. Yeah.
Now, Mlu, Siyavala Utiami, it's a very important moment for Mamelodi Sundowns. We do know that what happens with regards to the league, it's beyond their control. You know, I guess it's a situation whereby they will say, let the football gods, you know, decide.
Yeah, so we
But-
say
but-
quarantine.
Yeah, but now it's a big game in terms of ICAF Champions League. I mean, you took an advantage of some sort with that goal Opri going into the second leg.
Yeah.
Manje, it's the big moment. Is Mamelodi Sundowns getting the second star on their jersey?
Yabona le i-difficult ukuthi yebo singasithola i-star but mawuchecka ne i-Sundowns like e-Africa more special ama-team ayifeyisana nama-team ase-North na-9 idlale nabo kayi-9 ngala ayina-win like away mayidlala away more special because i-Farabat idlale nayo twice kwaba i-draw 1-1 ngale kwaphinde kwaba i-draw 1-1 ngayi so labantu laba sibashaye kayi-1 script bedlala nabo for kwesi-4 maybe singawina but ngabhayi Sundowns mayibhekana nama-team ase-North more especially sidlala away ayijwayelanga ukuwina so singawina nje ngoNkulunkulu yabo but khona bekumele at least if i-Sundowns yascora 2 goals or 3 before ihambe yangada bengizoba easy ukuthi ngisho ukuthi singabuya ne-star sis-2 but angikho sure kwamanje yebo kusona ngiyasifuna yeah but ukuthi singabuya naso mawungachecka nje hayi aphetha
uminye kakhulu.
Yeah.
No, umngani wami uminye kakhulu.
Yeah.
The star is loading, my man.
Yeah.
I mean, guys, to be honest, Ukado also knows how to play the CAF Champions League game. I mean, the fact that he's playing in the final for the 3rd time says a lot about the man. Sundowns is playing it for the 2nd time consecutively. Last year they were here.
yeah.
I don't believe that he'll fail 3 times. He's winning it. I mean, I don't know, but he seems to have a way to make these teams look ordinary. Remember when MC Alger came here in February, we expected a tough game, but it was far from it. Like,
even experience
yeah, about Esperance. I think they're gonna get an outright win, not like Kutibazo draw and count on aggregate. They're going to win the Sunday game. Ngamenye kakhulu mfethu. Relax. Umenye kakhulu.
At least not put out.
Umenye
Yeah,
kakhulu.
yeah. Now, Muzi, let's wrap it up with you as well. I mean, Kaizer Chiefs have secured 3rd spot. You know, you've
Yeah.
secured a home fixture
Yeah,
for next season with regards to the MTN 8.
yeah.
Now, the team that you're facing, you know, Bona Ingozi, because they're trying to shy away from the playoffs, you know. So, do you think that, you know what, you're going to do the job and add to their woes that they are facing right now?
Well, that's what I'm praying and hoping for. But you know, naturally, these boys know good. I mean, we've done the job. I mean,
bawushanyuke file
but yeah, I mean, I think we chances are high that we will win the Saturday game, and bese siminyela nabo makhelwane ngale. But again, yeah, no, I think we're gonna win that game. I mean, Chippa United. Come on, bes basapota ke thina bese Orlando sithi khona into abazoyenza hayi
Yeah.
hayi.
Yeah.
And
Now, gentlemen, just to throw the spanner in the works, I know I've spoken to you, Musa, regarding the Chiefs game,
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns as well.
yeah.
But I think we also need to get predictions from you with regards to what's going to be happening in Bombela. So, are they going to dethrone you, Mlo, the Pirates?
ebhutu I hope ibhedlela zase-Mbombela ziredi ukuthi zizo-accommodate abantu abaningi because hey kuzobe kugcwele ema-wodini kuzobe kugcwele amajezi webhakaniya kuphela
Nah, umngani wami hey
Yeah.
into zakhe kuleli viki angiyitholi kahle. No, iphathi sembombela mfowethu.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, iphathi sembombela. There's no way Pirates is not winning this league. There's no way. I mean, we always blame teams for hiring experienced coaches when they qualify to play in the top flight. But the honest truth is that Orbit ain't a coach. There's no way Orbit can match Orlando Pirates, who won the league, Kapatalijas, as they say. There's no way. I can bet my whole life. Can put my head on the block. Pirates is winning the league. Angaminya nje umngani wami kodwa
yeah, well.
But yeah,
Ngeke ukuminya. As long as kusawuminyeka.
But uminya 2 weeks yonke.
Hayi mara ngiminyeka kwaminyeka Saturday. Ngisazophinda ngiminya.
Khuleka.
Well, you have heard it from the true gentleman, Muzi, as well as Mlungis. As you do know, I've been saying that, our fans, we are all about inclusivity. These gentlemen, they know their football. They love their football. So we thought that as we wrap up this beautiful season, how's about we also just bringing them in and have this discussion with them and just pick their minds with regards to how the season has fared for their respective teams. But yeah, that's how we wrap it up, man. Let's see how the final showdown of the Betway Premiership ends this coming weekend. As you do know that khona balwela iligi, khona balwela top 80, khona balwela ukuthi bangangeni ku relegation baye kumtsipe.
Bese khona laba bangalwi ke abakuna.
Mina ngiyihlalele.
Yeah, khona abangalwi as you have heard baku number 3, but yeah, it's a beautiful spectacle that we are seeing. So but I do hope that supporters, you'll enjoy the games responsibly, so you'll go out there, support your beautiful teams, whether we are in Moses Mabhida, whether we are in Bombela, whether you are traveling with the team to Morocco. Be sure that you are safe, you enjoy the game, and let's celebrate football after all, because it's what's bringing us together. But that's how we wrap up our conversation. From myself, Akamza, this yes.
Amasandawana angabulali TV Saturday.
You have heard from Muzi, Amasandawana angabulali TV come Saturday. But that's how we wrap up our conversation. From myself, Akamza the Sport, Muzi, Mlungisi, and the rest of Amafenswe to Crew TV. Chaile.